Yesterday I had the pleasure of testing out a new battery from a manufacturer that you've all heard of. The rep showed up with some 1300 packs, which I initially was a little disappointed because I don't typically race with a 1300 pack on a 5-inch race drone because it won't get me the 2 minutes finish your laps if you're flying at race pace. After burning through multiple packs, I was really impressed with the amount of time I was able to get. I was kind of concerned that maybe they had gone with the China Hobbyline approach where they're packing a larger battery with a smaller label, so like a 1500 packed is a 1300. So I decided I'd come home and measure a bunch of my 1300 packs and see where this one fell in. I weighed all of the 1300 packs that I own here, so we'll go ahead and start at the top. So the heaviest was the Gold Bat 1300s. I found that battery on Amazon for around 20 bucks, so I thought I'd give it a try. It went in at 169 grams. Next up we have the 100C Power Sticks from Strix at 166 grams. Then we've got the TATTU R-Line 2.0 100C battery at 163. The Square Glacier Ice 95C battery at 100 grams. The Bonka, this is a Bonka 80C, 160 grams. And then the lightest battery of them all was the Glacier Ice 1300 45C. This doesn't surprise me. This is an old battery. It's 45C, so you're not really going to want to race with it anyway, even at that weight. But I was excited to go ahead and weigh the new battery. So the battery that I had the pleasure of testing is the TATTU FunFly 100C 4S 1300 battery. And as you can see, size-wise, it's actually like quite a bit smaller than the gold. I don't know if you can tell that. Not quite a bit, but it's definitely smaller there and smaller on the width. And it's I don't know, it's probably about the same size as the 45C battery here. All right, same width, same dimensions. And we'll go ahead and weigh that. Zero out. All right, so our heaviest battery, 169 grams. That was the Gold Bat, and then we've got on the lightest end the Glacier Ice 45C at 149 grams. So let's see where this guy falls in. 152 grams. That is a very light battery. Like, compare that to here. Falls in between the Bonka and the Glacier Ice 45C, and this is a 100C battery. And the reason I thought they were probably packing in some extra milliamps, I'll show you a video. I flew my 5-inch drone with a GoPro, and I got 3 minutes, and the battery wasn't like completely shot. I think I landed at, what was that, 3.79 volts per cell. So I could have gone even harder, and this is 3 minutes with a GoPro on a 5-inch drone. Here's that setup. GoPro session on this setup right here, and it was just cruising along, no problem, 3 minutes. And I'll go ahead and roll that video now. super happy with the performance of this little 1300 pack. I'm excited to see what the 1500s feel like. And this battery, Eddie said it would come in probably for less than $20 a pack, which is a pretty damn good deal. And even though it's geared towards like a FunFly, I see no reason why any budget racer wouldn't use this pack going forward. It'll be interesting to see how well these packs hold up over time, and maybe they're a 5 and done pack, and maybe that's why they're FunFly. I'm not really sure, but I'm going to keep on pushing on them and see how long they last. If you want to learn more about this battery, hit up Jen's Ace Tattoo Eddie on Facebook. And if you know anything about this battery or just want to have any questions, definitely just hit me up in the comments below. Thanks for watching.